This video shows how to buy shares of Stockwik Forvaltning AB, ticker STWK.ST. Stockwik Forvaltning AB is an investment management company listed on CBOE EU under STWK.ST. This is an educational walkthrough only and not financial advice. To trade, you need a broker account. I use eToro as a neutral example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you will need to verify your account, which typically requires an identity document, and you must add funds before buying. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker STWK.ST to find the listing. Check the search results carefully to select the correct Stockwik Forvaltning AB entry. Open the stock page to see basic company information and a price chart. Confirm the company name and ticker match Stockwik Forvaltning AB before proceeding. Click Invest or Buy. Choose the amount you want to invest, then review order details and confirm. If the market is closed, you can place a pending order or schedule it for market open. If there are insufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Your position will appear in your portfolio once the order is executed. For convenience, the eToro link is in the description if you want to review the platform used in this example.